Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Cassie. Let's go ahead and jump right on into it. So this wig was sent to me by RPGSHOW, so shout out to them for sponsoring your girl. I am super excited to be working with this company. So they sent me over their kinky textured bouffant headband wig to review for you guys, and I am super excited. Straight out of the box, I really just loved the texture and the bounce that these curls had. This wig is already pre-styled, as you can tell. It looks like it was like a flexi rod set or a rod set, and typically I would go in and wash my human hair wigs before I wear them. I really loved this style and I kind of wanted to see if I could match my natural hair texture to this wig, so I didn't go ahead and wash it beforehand. Now in this video I am going to show you a few different ways that I like to wear my headband wigs. I know there are thousands of videos by now since this whole headband wig trend started last year on how to style your headband wigs, but I figured what's one more, you know what I'm saying? So I have some styles for you if you are feeling lazy, if you don't want to mess with your hair, and I have some styles for you if you feel like you want to put in a little bit more effort. So just stay tuned for all of that. Before I go ahead and get into the styling portion of this video, here's what the wig looks like straight plopped on my head. I haven't fussed with any of the curls or anything like that, so don't get intimidated. It's not looking that great right now, but we're gonna get it there, you know what I'm saying? So this first style is if you do not want to fuss with your edges whatsoever. So as you guys can see, I did apply my wig grip, which is linked in my Amazon store down below. That is the best wig grip I have tried yet. Okay, it is a perfect dupe for the wig fix that costs like $25, and I got a 2-pack for $7.99. So go ahead and hit the link down below and get your life. Right now, I'm just fluffing out the curls, but you guys can see that I have the headband wig pulled all the way to my edges. I don't have any leave out. This is for the days where maybe the humidity is real high and I know there is not a gel in my junky stash that will lay down my edges, so I'm not even gonna bother. This is the style that I would gravitate towards, and I would pick a really cute headband like this one, cover my whole entire edges, and just keep it pushing. And I think that this is super cute. It kind of gives that like head wrap type of vibe, but you don't have to fuss with a head wrap, you know what I'm saying? And if it's super hot, like you live in the South like me, go ahead and pull all the hair up to the top of your head and put it in a cute little pineapple. I feel like this is really giving summertime vibes. Like this just looks so good, and it does have a lot of body and curls, so the back, it does look a little bit bulky, but you could go in and flatten that out if you really wanted to. This next style is going to require some edge control, and this is my favorite by far. This is also linked in my Amazon storefront. I'm gonna go ahead and slide the headband wig back just a little bit and work on these edges. This edge control is so nice. It doesn't leave a white cast. It has a really good hold, and it also works with other products. Sometimes if I really want my edges to be laid, I go ahead and put on some Lotta Body on top to really set it in place, and it works just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch out the headbands just to try out the ones that they sent me because I thought that they were really cute. This style is nothing new, but it is another way that I'd like to wear my headband wigs. This is something that you guys have seen time and time again. I'll just put a headband over the black one that comes with the wig. You could definitely do different styles with this one, throw all the hair into a top knot, or like I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna put a little bit of hair into a cute little bun and do like a half up, half down type of look. You could do a low ponytail, you could do, you know, basically like whatever you wanna do because it's your wig, sis. I really love the texture of this wig. Like, let's just talk about this wig for a second. The curls are so soft, and I was able to really work them out and kind of break up the curls with ease. Like, I did not get any tangling, no shedding with this wig. I was very not shocked. I was very impressed with this wig. So I was definitely feeling myself, as y'all can tell. I think that this wig is just so pretty, and it definitely can give like a summer fun type of look. But if you have an event to go to, like a wedding, y'all know people love to get married in the summertime, this is definitely giving like a natural hair formal type of look, which I really am here for. Obviously, another way that you could wear this style is to just have the hair all out and moving freely. Now let's go ahead and jump into this last style. This one is going to be for the girls who want to put in a little bit more time, put in a little effort, like you got a few extra minutes before work that day or before you're going on a date night or something like that. You want to have some leave out to really make this wig look natural. This style is for you. So I went ahead and parted my hair into like a half up, half down. I braided the back, and that's what's going to be underneath my wig. I'm using some of that edge control to really slick down my top knot. For this step, you want to fold over the black headband that comes with the wig, but you don't want to cover that comb because you're going to need to secure this wig somehow, because obviously half your head is a lot smaller than your full head. Did that make any type of sense? headbands. Anyways, you're gonna need to anchor this wig using all the combs. The headband really doesn't do anything for you, but you still need to obviously secure it, but you will need to use the combs and use a wig grip if you need to. That's another reason why I like these silicone wig grips, because they are a little bit tight. So they worked really well for only being on half of my head. So I definitely love that. And if you guys want to pick them up, obviously, like I said, they will be linked down below. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on my ponytail, because obviously my hair does not match the texture, but I'm going to go ahead and get my curl wand and curl up my ponytail. So this is going to take me a little bit. Y'all are going to see my arms getting tired. I'm going to be bored because this takes so long. And for some reason, my curling iron kept turning off, probably because this curling iron is like 12 years old. I'm not gonna lie, it's really old, y'all. I need to get a new one. I'm gonna go ahead and work on matching the texture of this wig with my natural hair, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I'll see you guys in a second to wrap up this video. Once we have our ponytail curled, I realized that I wanted my ponytail to be a little bit more on the fuller side. So I grabbed some hair from the wig and incorporated that into my ponytail. I didn't have to wrap anything around the hair tie. I know a lot of people like to do that, but I was given like body, you know what I'm saying? Like, you weren't even gonna see this hair tie, so there was no point in wrapping any hair. So that's what I did. I just secured a little bit of the wig to my ponytail to give it a little bit more fullness, and I think that it looks really, really nice. Obviously, my curl wand was not doing the best, so it doesn't fully match the texture of the wig, but it's coming pretty close. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I really put in the time, y'all would not be able to tell me this was a wig. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All the links and specs about this wig will be in the description box down below. I just want to say a huge shout out to RPGSHOW for working with me and reaching out to me. If I can be transparent for a moment, y'all, I have been wanting to work with this company for so long. So the fact that they reached out to me and wanted to collaborate with me on this video meant so much to me. So if you could, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, your family, your cousin, anybody, your coworker. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I would love to see you guys come back for my next video, so make sure you turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me. I have been a little bit off my upload schedule lately because it's been my birthday and I've just been chilling, but I do upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so make sure you hit the bell so you never miss out, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very, very soon. Bye!